In this video I am gonna show you how to download Adobe Photoshop full version free from Google Drive. So first of all, click link in description to open Google Drive. And then after opening, click on download button. When the video is downloaded, open the RAR file using WinRAR or any other RAR opener and extract file. Now after extraction is completed, open the extracted folder and install the Adobe Photoshop. Now you can see it's working, and there is no trial version. Note, if you are seeing trial version, it may be because you have installed Adobe Creative Cloud. In this case, log out from Adobe Creative Cloud and uninstall both Adobe Creative Cloud and Adobe Photoshop, then install only Adobe Photoshop, and it will now work fine.